We're going to look at this part of my design project. Here in my code, you can see my pin and variable initialization. Then same sort of thing in the setup here with pin initialization. And then in the loop, I have some time counting functions here and if statements using the millis function that's built in. And then first thing I'm doing is checking to see if it is activated by the IR remote or not, and if it's active and the box is still closed, then I'm checking to see if my IR brake sensor has been tripped, which is showing when the box is opened. And then when the box is both active and opened, then the deterrents start, which are my vibrating motor and a buzzer. And then it can also be deactivated by the remote to stop the deterrents, just for testing purposes. Alright, so if we look at the Arduino here now, you can see that if I activate it with the power button there, and then move the IR beam brake, you can see that the motor starts and you can hear the buzzer. Then I can just deactivate it here with the stop button, just so that we don't have to continue to listen to it. So yeah, this IR beam brake sensor here, when it gets more than 10 degrees off when the box lids are opened, it tells the code that the box has been opened. And then these two deterrents start to go off. I will have a weight on that so that it makes the entire box vibrate. Haven't done that yet. And then I was having some issues with using an MP3 or audio player with my Arduino, so for the time being I just have this buzzer as the deterrent, but I will work on that for next time. And all of this will eventually be put into a cardboard box with the beam brake sensors on the lid for when it gets opened, and I'll try to make some of this all soldered down so it's slightly more permanent in its configuration and less likely to break or fall apart when somebody is working with the box. Alright, you can also see that my serial monitor is working here. As I pause it here, you can see that it's not activated and also not open at the moment, and the tick is my timer. If I come over here and activate it, you can now see that